How to cancel Revive Animator Subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now go ahead and open this option, Subscriptions. In this page, you will be able to find different sections. Under Active Subscription, you will find the option of Revive Animator Subscription. You have to click on it. With that, you will get the option of Cancel Subscription. You have to click on that option. You will get the pop-up, Confirm Cancellation. Click on Confirm. With that, you have just cancelled subscription for your Revive Animator. As of right now, I don't have any subscription, so it is showing nothing over here. In the case you do have subscription, it's gonna appear over here. By following these steps, you are able to cancel subscription for your Revive Animator. You can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Animator Revive account or app will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily cancel Revive Animator subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.